Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Are you looking for the best free antivirus to protect your Windows PC in 2026? With ransomware, phishing attacks, and AI-powered malware becoming more common, having reliable antivirus software is more important than ever. The good news is, you don't have to spend money to stay protected. In today's video, I'll count down the top 5 free antivirus programs for Windows in 2026, comparing their features, performance, and who they're best for. Let's get started. At number 5, we have AVG AntiVirus Free. AVG has been around for many years and continues to provide solid malware protection using one of the industry's well-tested antivirus engines. Pros: excellent real-time malware protection, email protection, web browsing security automatic virus definition, updates easy-to-use interface. Cons: displays upgrade advertisements. Some advanced features require the paid version. If you're looking for a simple antivirus that works well on most Windows PCs, AVG is still a great free option. Independent reviews continue to rank it among the stronger free choices. Coming in at number 4 is Avira Free Security. This antivirus offers much more than virus scanning. Features include real-time malware protection, limited free VPN password manager, software updater, privacy optimization tools, performance optimizer. One reason many users love Avira is its clean interface and lightweight cloud-based scanning. It's an excellent choice for students and everyday users who want additional security features beyond antivirus. At number 3 is Avast One Essential. Avast continues to be one of the most feature-packed free antivirus solutions available. Highlights: excellent malware detection, ransomware protection web shield, Wi-Fi security scanner, limited VPN smart scan. The software is beginner-friendly and offers more tools than most free competitors. The only downside is occasional promotional pop-ups encouraging users to upgrade. Still, for free protection, Avast offers excellent value. Our runner-up is Bitdefender Antivirus Free. Bitdefender is famous for its outstanding malware detection rates and incredibly light system impact. Why it's great: powerful cloud-based protection, excellent phishing detection, very lightweight silent background protection, simple one-click interface. If you don't want a complicated antivirus packed with unnecessary features, Bitdefender is one of the easiest install and forget solutions available. It is consistently rated among the best free antivirus options. Our number 1 pick in 2026 is Microsoft Defender. Yes, the antivirus that's already built into Windows 11. Microsoft has improved Defender dramatically over the last few years. Today, it provides real-time protection, ransomware protection, smart screen phishing protection, firewall device security family safety integration, regular security updates through Windows Update. For most home users, Microsoft Defender provides excellent protection without installing any additional software. Recent reviews note that it's sufficient for the majority of users unless they specifically need advanced extras like VPNs or identity protection. Remember, even the best antivirus cannot protect you if you download cracked software, open unknown email attachments, disable Windows updates, ignore browser security warnings, use weak passwords. The safest computer combines good antivirus with smart browsing habits. Which antivirus are you currently using? Let everyone know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, software reviews, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.